How's it going, everyone? Here at Bierstadt Lake trailhead. It's about 2:30 p.m. I've got a couple hours before my hotel check-in, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this trail real quick since I've never done it before. It'll be the second trail for me today. Did Carpenter Peak earlier at Roxborough State Park. Check that video out if you want to. Let's get on this trail and check this hike out. Yeah, I'm not even messing around. It's gonna go ahead and throw on the micro spikes. Trail is very well packed down. It's probably about 50 degrees right now. No wind. Beautiful bluebird skies. Can't ask for much better than this. Looks like some post-holing action going on right here. Quite a few switchbacks on this trail. Elevation gains not too bad. Coming up to a forest. Gotta love snowy forests in Rocky Mountain National Park during the winter. Still got about 7 days of winter left. When is it? March 20th, March 21st. The trail sign. Guess that means we're getting pretty close to the lake. Well, good thing I left my snowshoes in the car. All right, I'm here at Bierstadt Lake. It is completely covered in snow. Pretty sure it's still frozen, being that it's just the beginning of March. pretty cool. Definitely not one of my favorite winter lakes, but cool mountains in the background. Love returning the summertime to see how it looks. Overall, this is a relatively easy hike. I've seen a couple of small, younger kids with their parents doing it. Maybe it's about a mile, maybe a mile and a half to the lake. I kind of did a loop around the lake before actually going to the lake, which added about 0.8 miles to the hike, but oh well, it's a nice day and I don't mind the exercise. But saw maybe about 20 people out today. Trailhead was almost full when I arrived at 2 p.m. but I did get a spot. Not my favorite hike, definitely not my favorite alpine lake, but still great to get outdoors, get out of Denver, away from all that nasty coronavirus. So traction was, so I do recommend some type of traction for this trail during the winter. Snowshoes aren't really necessary unless you completely go off trail like I did, or maybe if there was some heavy snowfall the day prior or the day of, then snowshoes may be necessary. But yeah, nice little warm-up hike. Plan on doing Sky Pond and the Lock tomorrow morning. Stay tuned for that one. That video should be up soon as well. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Until then, see y'all next time.